Hello everyone, I am Passioknit Kelsie and welcome back to another very passionate vlog. So honestly, gotta be honest, I haven't been doing anything for the past 2 days. I have totally been laying around and playing Sims, and I also got Fallout Shelter on my phone, the app, because I've been watching my boyfriend play Fallout, and then he got Fallout Shelter on his PS5, and I was like, that looks fun, and he's like, it's actually a mobile game. It's also much easier to play that and manage it while I'm crocheting, but whenever I'm playing Sims, it kind of needs all of my attention. Anyway, I've been doing a bunch of nothing, so I kind of want to do like a reset. This needs to start working. So my plan for today is to clean a little bit. I'm gonna say a little bit because that'll make me feel better whenever I come to the end of the day and think about how much I've completed. But I want to clean a lot. I need to clean a lot, not just in this room, but like kind of my whole house. So yeah, I've been avoiding it. It is already 1:38, so there's that. But I did get up this morning and I put laundry in the washing machine. Okay, so like that's the most important things on my agenda are actually outside of this room, so we're gonna do that first. I need to sweep and mop my floors. I have dogs, they shed, and it's been raining, it's been muddy, so I need to get that done. It'll probably take like 45 minutes, 30 maybe. I hope that it's not super boring for either of us, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, that's done. I feel much better. Let's organize a little bit in here. Two up here. This can go up here. This can go up here. These need to get out. You! I love you. I'll put some stuff up on the tables because we're gonna vacuum. You okay? Back up, man. Right now, I'm thinking that I want to find a different place to put all of these, which are my packing bags, because I feel like this cubby could be utilized in a better way. So I'm going to find somewhere else to put them. Okay. Is this going to be wide enough? I think so. They fit, but they have to fold like a little bit. Why is it so heavy? Okay. That's not all gonna fit for sure. Found my heating pad. I bought these for my half and half air warmers that I was making with the Centro. I'll probably find somewhere to put them, and that would get rid of a box. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, I'm done with that. We've done enough cleaning, we've done enough organizing, and I'm done. We're done with that. Caesar's coming home, and we're gonna go get Thai food, and then everything is going to be so fine and dandy. If we still have good lighting whenever we get back, we'll pack orders. If we don't, then we'll make orders. Either way, we're doing orders. We have a bunch of scrunchies to pack. We have some hats to make. We need to finish this cardigan at some point. So the list is long. Hey, look, I didn't film anything yesterday. I just came home and I made a bunch of scrunchies. I ended up making these 3 and then also 6 of the lilac, so there's those. I watched Baby Reindeer last night, all of it in one go, and it ruined me. I died. Wow. Yeah. To kick us off, I'm going to pack up these lilac scrunchies just like real quick because we're gonna be going over to the post office shortly, so I just want to like get them done. By the way, I did pack orders while I was not feeling well for a few days, so unfortunately you are not going to be able to see those because I didn't want to film because I felt like poopy. But if you were wondering, I did sell all of the beanies that we made in our beanie video, and I also sold, what else? It was scrunchies that I had made over a few days, and all of our beanies, and oh, I also sold a rainbow bucket hat, so it's like nothing too exciting. I'm down to 18 orders, and after I pack these 3, we will have 15, which is honestly great. It hasn't been that low in a while. It's been sitting in the 20s. I've been getting notifications that I have packages to pick up at my PO box, so I think we're gonna go get those and probably like film a mail opening video soon, so I hope you're looking forward to that. These 3 are going towards an order for 4 mystery scrunchies, so I just need to make 1 more.
I found like a tailor and I was like, I'm gonna get measured for a suit. I'm gonna have one made for me.
Okay, pack this real quick. This is for Katrina. Katrina. Now I'm gonna keep working on this cardigan that we have started. So this is the first half that you guys saw me make in the other vlog. I haven't connected anything yet. I am just gonna start working on the other half so that I can, you know, get them both to the same point. And we'll just do that until I go out to eat for dinner and go to the post office and other stuff.
What I cherish at Smosh is like this big ensemble friend dynamic.
It's time to go. Look, they've got the peanuts back. We're back. dropped off all of my packages, which was great because we had a lot of them. We also went and checked on my PO box. I had like 7 packages to pick up and a couple envelopes. And now, like I said earlier, I'm just gonna get back to working on this cardigan. I have to do like 7 more rows and then they'll be the same size. And then at that point, I'll figure out sizing.
So many, you know, there's ones that work, there's ones that but it's scary, like with couples on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
But you filmed some things?
I filmed the reel.
Can we get that footage at some point?
I finished the second half. Here's that, and then here's the other one, maybe? There we go. Yep. Now, at this point, what I think I'm going to do is, like I said, I want to keep it cropped, so like the length is good, but we need to add to like the width and also the armhole length. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do like pretty much all of the sides. I'm gonna go all the way up around and back down, and then I'll stop at the back. So the only side that I won't be adding to will be this one. You know, I don't really know how many rows I need to do of that. Probably like not many, like maybe 2, but I need to measure it.
But he matches your shirt.
Yeah, I wore the shirt just for his tongue, just to match.
Check it. This is what I did. I did 2 rows of the red. See how it's everywhere except for the bottom? The bottom ends on the black. Because basically I wanted everything to get bigger except for the length, because it still needs to be a little cropped cardigan. Yeah, I am gonna do that to the other side now so that they are twinsies, and then after that I will lengthen the sleeves to the cuffs. Gotta do the back panel and the outline. Not finishing this tonight, it's already 8 o'clock, so, but we will be putting in the work. I would love to finish it. I want to finish it, get it done. Anytime I have like a big project on my list, it holds me back always. So I want to get it done as quickly as possible, especially so that I can move these yarns off of my desk. That'd be awesome.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
Hold.
I added length from here to here, and I'm about to do the cuffs, but I wanted to show you, a lot of people have asked if you can like decrease on the sleeves, which I did on this one. I don't know if you can tell, it's like very subtle. I just wanted to do a little bit because, you know, the armhole depth was pretty deep, but as you go down the arm, we want it to get skinnier. So if you can see, I decreased on the darker yellow rows right here and right here. Basically, instead of doing a cluster, you just do 1 double crochet, and then on the next row, in that 1 double crochet, you do a regular cluster, and it just like kind of continues. So I did 2 decreases, and that's it. But I'm about to do a cuff, and it ended on our dark yellow, the golden kind of color, which I think is great. So, hey, today is indeed a day. I want to see how quickly we can finish our cardigan. I did not start making the cuff last night because I got hungry, so I made myself like a snack, and then I got really sleepy, so I just went to bed. I mean, like, to be fair, it was like, you know, 10:30, so like that's pretty much bedtime, but whatever. Now that we're at the cuff, I'm doing it with our dark golden yellow, and I'm using a 4mm hook, and I'm doing the classic single crochet back loop only ridged cuff. So yep, all that I have left to do today on this cardigan is to do the other sleeve, lengthening and cuff, and then I'm going to add length in the back so that they can meet up, and we'll do, I think it's 3 or 4 rows of single crochet around all of the edges. So yeah, I'm gonna do all of that today, hopefully quickly. I got up early this morning, early. My alarm went off at 9:30. I didn't get out of bed until 10, but I had breakfast. I've been sitting around, and I'm getting started now at noon, but let's see how long this takes me. I want to get this done so that I can move on with everything, get this video ready, have it posted by Wednesday. Remember to drink some water today. First cuff done. Look, done. Ugh, done. Times 2. Yep, all we're gonna do now is add a few inches right here, and then we gotta do a couple rows around the edges, and then we'll be done. Done, done, done. I'm also gonna take my dogs for a walk though, so. Okay, check it out. We've got the back connected right here. And I did 1 row so far on the edges. It's in red, so you can't see it. Anyway, I'm gonna take my dogs for a walk, come back, do 2 more rows on the outline to finish it up, and I will also weave in all of these ends. I'm gonna hate that. I'm gonna hate it. I don't want to do it, but I want to finish this cardigan today, so it's gonna have to be done, unfortunately. Yeah. And we're back. I am gonna finish this right now, okay? Okay.
That happens. We play the game so many times, and you can't even say the right word.
Guys, check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh, what's going on? It's done! Look! I did it. It is officially finished. I am so glad and excited. Here's like the whole thing, how it turned out. So this, I think, is a XXL size on the chart, I think. And this is how it turned out. Here's the sleeves. I don't know if you can tell the just ever so slightly decreasing. Got the golden cuffs, and I did 1 row of single crochets in red and then 2 rows of single crochet in the golden color so that it matches the cuffs on the outline. But yeah, I weaved in all my ends and we are 100% good to go. It should be like the perfect size for this mannequin.
She looks nice.
Anyway, everyone, that is all for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thanks for coming back, even though I didn't post on Monday. I appreciate you very, very much. Just a reminder for you, I do sell some Passionate merch, and I do have a P.O. box if you want to send me any kind of mail. Those are both in the video description. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content. If you have content ideas, leave them in the comments. I'm always running to find something to make other than my vlogs. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!